Got a muck stick with an attachment, and it's really easy to do your hair at home. So what we start with is a product, ThermoShape, which is wonderful to help hold the curl, and at the end we'll use some ThermoShape spray. So lightly spray your hair. I've prepared this a little earlier, so I don't need to do too much, and dry it off quickly. Okay, so what we're going to do is take a section from our temple area to just above the occipital bone at the back. So just a small section, and the benefit of using this piece of equipment is that you can do it in about 10 minutes. So always wear a glove to prevent burning yourself. And with this attachment, try and always keep the cord to the ceiling. So what we're going to do is work around the head to the centre back, and then around the head from the other side, so going away from the face. So here we are with our attachment, feel free to roam around and have a look as I go, taking nice neat sections, putting your appliance in, careful not too close to your ear or scalp, and wrap the hair around, taking care to flatten the ends. I just count to 10 seconds, but I was too slow and that's too hot. So here we go, we'll keep moving. This section here, smoothing it through your hands, pop the stick through here and wrap your hair around. Obviously the longer your hair, the easier this is. So holding the ends flat, bringing it up to the ceiling. Just be really careful of your skin, your ears, your arms, and wrap again, keeping that cord up to the top. I'm not quite sure how that one's going to work out, but there we go. Bringing it up, holding it, letting it cool for a moment. You can take on the next section, divide that into two, smoothing it out, keeping it nice and neat. Wrapping the hair around again, there we go, holding it nice and smooth, up again, and last section for the front, coming in again, wrapping around nice and flat, pulling up to the ceiling. You can let that go. If you've got time in the morning or night and you're not in too much of a rush, you could divide that section up again, but let's pretend I'm late for work already, so I'm just going to do that piece here. So divide into a section, combing with your fingers. Be mindful, the wider the section, the looser the curl will be. So if it's a wide, deep section, it will be softer, looser. I like things very natural and quite messy, so I like to just run my hands through it myself, but of course you can do whatever you like, but I just like a little bit of softness. Now if you're going somewhere, you can pin that up straight away and you'll have more body and you can let it out later when the evening comes. So there we go. Hope you got something out of that today. And feel free to book in and we'll do a little play session with you and your hair and teach you how to do it yourself. So